She's beautiful. So we can see El Teide, El Niño and El Chinyero. Happy hikers! La Gomera in front of us, and then yeah, over there La Palma. Good morning everyone, happy Thursday from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. Early morning here, it's not even 9 o'clock a.m. and we are going hiking today up there to El Teide National Park, so you can see the video a little bit later. Special situation, part of the town is on the sun and another part is still in shadow. We are still in shadow. Because the sun is coming up and we are expecting a beautiful day. Yeah, just sunrise, can you see it? Wow, cool, cool, cool. So all the best wishes, and wait for my video. Just in time. There we are, El Teide and El Chinyero.
Here?
Yeah, our friends are here. Brave El Niño. Good boy. Let's go to El Chinyero. 1,551 meters. But we are going to walk around. Simba is here as well. So. And vámonos! The weather is amazing. And the air is amazing as well here. I highly recommend to come here if you have time. The hiking trail is very pleasant, like 10 kilometers around El Chinyero. Pino Canario, beautiful, wow. There was fire here last year, but it's still alive, check this out. Undestroyable. Hallo! Hallo! Our hikers. Special, beautiful hiking trail. Wow! And these pinos are majestic. Wow! Unbelievable, beautiful. El Chinyero over there. You cannot see El Teide, it's on the other side, but it will be probably, you can see it probably later. Thank you, universe, for this beauty and this powerful trees. Now you can see beautifully El Chinyero. 1,551 meters high. And La Gomera over there. And the sun. Charge your batteries with this beauty. Poor El Niño. He has to walk on those small rocks. They're not sharp, so it's alright. So we can see El Teide, El Niño, and El Chinyero. So cool. This is very tiny. Lava gravel. Now this is not snow. Looks like snow a little bit. Looks like frozen. It's not. It's so warm here for t-shirt. Another great piece. Wow. Down some of it. Hola a todos.
árboles! ¡Oh!
Pero peligro en el sendero.
Está muerto.
Hola a todos. So those pinos, they were dead, so they had to put them down. We are meeting beautiful Polenko. She's beautiful. Hola. Qué bonita. Cachorrita.
Sí.
Ah, no, la nuestra no. De 11 años esta.
Ah, 11.
11.
¿Y esta?
12. 12.
12, wow. Qué bonita.
Pero bueno, le gusta mucho el
Sí.
bosque.
Sí,
¿Y tú? ¡Ay, qué linda!
Chao.
¿Eh?
Hola.
Chao. Chao. Hola. Ay, qué hermosa.
Simba is taking picture.
Yeah.